Here you go.
Thank you very much. There's one right along the branches. Oh, look at the little plants. They're marching. What is this? Blueberry? Shane, do you know what that is? What is this?
I think that's called Psychotria.
Psychotria.
Yeah.
Does anything eat it?
In the little
They're cutting the leaves.
We're cutting the leaves right now.
Yeah, he's about to get that one.
Can you see?
oh my god, they're cutting the
Exception of the Duolingo owl. Maybe, but it was doing so realistic. I was convinced.
I början började vi med det här med wingguts. Ingen som har fem.
Are you trying to get around?
Jag började köra 3 backar, 4 mittfältare och en fram. Det passade oss bättre. Vad kör vi? Kör vi 4?
Do they guys Ventura out here, or is that like a... I saw Bergmansia when we were driving up. What is that? They're related. Oh, they're like, they're deliriants, like some of the... Cool. Some of like the ayahuasca. Oh, okay. They got some in Buckeye. Oh, cool. I swear one day I went in there, and I was like, kind of like huffing the flowers, but it was like smelling the flowers, so it was like smelling it. I guess I must have like touched it too much, dude. Like, not long after, I got this like really weird headache, and I sat down in the chair in there, and I got like a bloody nose, and felt like really dizzy. It was really weird.
Is that how it's supposed to function?
I mean, like they're like, I think like they're really strong. Yeah, like they're not really. It was weird. I like closed my eyes and like it was seeing this. They were kind of like.
Is that cicada?
And I got this. Yeah, like it was that circle. No, not like it was weird.
I went to Tennessee for the last fall, and I didn't know they were there until I saw a dead one. I was like, I thought they were like desert animals.
I've never seen them alive.
Yeah, I've seen them in like the Hershey Zoo or something.
Oh, well, I guess, yeah.
Oh.
Probably should have warned you. Sorry. I was also looking down.
I'm trying to find one of those snakes in the trees because I want.
Eyelash factors? I need the flower.
Yeah, no, I want genuine flowers.
Oh.
I'm gonna do something on this trip.
I thought of that. Well, you did. You told me about you said the fertilizer, remember?
Oh, I did find
Yeah.
it, but no, that was like Jose and I said. He and I would stand in silence while looking at bird traps.
There's like the red water beach. Red sand.
Oh, like the deep sand. Yeah.
Det är några skidmatcher.
There's like, I thought that was a caterpillar on the loop too, but it was like is that orange stuff a flower or like?
På så sätt så var ju det väldigt häftigt. Och sen vi såg ju lite fåglar och vi såg något sånt här liksom däggdjur med en jätteråtta typ med lång svans. Ja, däck och...
Men exakt, de två grejerna vi får göra är vi här i området zipline. Zipline har jag inte gjort. Inte sån, jag har gjort någon sån här högre. Det är inte samma sak. Nej, men det är säkert jättekul. Så det hade vi sagt. Så det har vi bokat ut. Mycket folk det var här.
Ja, mycket folk. Eller har vi bara hamnat i just folkdjungeln?
Jag tror vi kan just dit.
Vi springer på lite. Ja.
Oh yeah, I've seen those too. Okay, sea turtle and scarlet macaw.
Those would be down.
No, those were the last two names I had.